Welcome to the Let's Talk Texas Solar podcast series. I'm Sarah, your podcast host here at Texas Best Solar Plans. Join us as we explore the growth of Texas solar, the latest tech in solar panels, and how Texans can stay ahead with the best solar buyback plans. Pour yourself a cup of coffee, kick back, and enjoy listening to our latest blog post and podcast episode. In this episode, we will be talking about simplifying Texas solar regulations. Trust Texas Best Solar Plans for hassle-free buyback solutions. Navigating the complexities of Texas solar regulations, let us do the heavy lifting. When it comes to navigating Texas solar regulations, things can get about as tricky as roping a steer on a windy day. Here at Texas Best Solar Buyback Plans, we get it, regulations. Permits and requirements can take the shine off installing solar panels on your roof. But that's where we come in. With years of experience working with Texas solar regulations, we know the ins and outs so you don't have to. From partnering with PowerMax Energy to helping you find the best buyback plans, our team is ready to handle all the legwork so you can focus on what matters, saving on your energy bill. Why Texas solar regulations are unique. Texas is a deregulated energy state, meaning that while some areas are open for choosing retail electric providers, others are overseen by local cooperatives or municipalities. Plus, Texas has a strong push for renewable energy, making solar panel installations a popular choice. But navigating the rules that come along with it can be complex. Different areas may have varied rules for grid tie systems, and requirements like net metering or certain permits can differ based on location. Understanding Texas solar regulations is not only key to staying compliant but also to maximizing your energy savings. We're seasoned in solar regulation navigation, with our 20 years of experience in Texas energy business. Texas Best Solar Buyback Plans has tackled just about every twist and turn in the solar regulation landscape. We're proud to say we've helped thousands of Texans make the most of their solar systems without getting bogged down by legal jargon or complicated processes. Here's what you can expect from us: thorough knowledge of Texas regulations. We stay on top of every update in the Texas solar industry, so you don't have to worry about surprise changes affecting your system or your savings. Simple processes. With our know-how, we simplify what can seem like an overwhelming process. Our team will explain everything you need to know in plain English, so you feel confident in your decision. Reliable compliance, no matter where you're located in Texas. We ensure your solar installation and buyback plan meet all necessary requirements. Our partnership with PowerMax Energy, what it means for you. We're not just doing this alone. Our partnership with PowerMax Energy adds a whole new level of service for our clients. As a reputable name in Texas energy industry, PowerMax Energy brings resources, tools, and knowledge that helps us expand our offerings and secure the best buyback rates for our clients. This partnership means that when you work with us, you're getting a top-notch team with decades of combined experience in solar energy and electricity management. How we handle the regulatory process. From start to finish, we've got your back in navigating solar regulations. Here's our step-by-step process to make it easy on you. Let's discuss the steps and what we do. 1. Initial consultation. Discuss your needs, assess your property, and review current regulations for solar installations. 2. Plan selection. Help you pick the best buyback plan based on your location, usage, and the latest Texas solar buyback rates. 3. Compliance check. Ensure your solar setup meets all Texas regulatory requirements. 4. Installation support. Connect you with vetted installers who know the ropes of Texas solar installation. 5. Ongoing monitoring. Keep you updated on any regulatory changes that may affect your buyback plan. By managing each of these steps, we take the stress and confusion out of the process. We're here to make sure your journey to solar savings is as smooth as Texas butter. Maximize your earnings with Texas Best Solar Buyback Plans. Many Texans worry that all the regulatory hoops will reduce the savings they hope to gain from going solar. But with Texas Best Solar buyback plans, you don't need to worry about missing out. We work tirelessly to secure buyback rates that give you the most bang for your buck, so you see every penny of your investment work for you. Our team knows the Texas solar market inside and out, and we're committed to getting you the best rate possible. We're constantly updating our buyback plans and ensuring that our customers are always in the loop on any opportunities to save even more. Why we're the best choice for Texas solar buyback plans. At Texas Best Solar buyback plans, we pride ourselves on being Texas' go-to for navigating solar regulations and buyback plans. With over 2 decades of experience, a strong partnership with PowerMax Energy, and an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau, we've helped thousands of Texans make the most of their solar investments. Ready to let us handle the heavy lifting? Don't let Texas' complex solar regulations stand in the way of your savings. Click or call us today to find out how we can help you make the most of your solar setup and lock in the best rates. We're here to put you on the path to solar success, Texas style. Big thanks to y'all for tuning in. Let's Talk Texas Solar was brought to you by PowerMax Energy, providing a powerful way to maximize your energy savings in the Texas deregulated electricity market. Join PowerMax Energy for the most competitive residential and commercial pricing. www.powermaxenergy.com and Texas Best Solar buyback plans for your solar buyback plan needs at www.texasbestsolarplans.com. Show notes and resources. Have questions for the show? Call 972-793-8341 weekdays, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Central Standard Time, or visit us online. If you are looking to install a solar system for your home, call or visit us online. Are you on track with your solar plan? Get a free personalized evaluation. www.texasbestsolarbuybackplans.com. Happy trails, y'all, and keep soaking up that Texas sunshine.